So, what are we here to talk about? Business technology and innovation with AI. Is that the course you're talking about? Great. I've always got this question where people come and ask me saying, but how do we integrate the knowledge that we've learned about technology to build big businesses, to build great businesses? And once we decided that's why we want to do this, we sat down and thought about what would be really good to talk to students about. What would be most valuable for them? What we can do is take the entire curriculum that we had in this area and divide them up into really 3 big modules. And the first module of it, we said, would cover a lot of technology basics. We're calling it Technology Bootcamp. Once you get a good sense of the technology basics itself, we kind of amp it up a little bit and we go into a deeper understanding of business analytics and artificial intelligence. We'll understand the buzzwords that we always come across, like subscription models, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. You'll get a good sense of how technology is shaping business. And finally, once you have a good understanding of how businesses changed because of these new age technologies, we'll go into the module which will help you understand the intricacies of how you can put all of this together and drive large-scale transformations within your own organizations. It's not enough if you just understand these concepts, and which is why we're going to take you into the simulation. And simulation is one of those interesting things where you get the opportunity to take what you've learned and apply. So for example, if I open up this simulation, you'll see the simulation is called Clash of the Two Giants, which is a very popular simulation, a very powerful simulation. This is your opportunity to apply all of the concepts that you've learned in platform and really run a platform business. To make sure that the learning that you are having on your own is amplified, it's important for you to have what we call learning circles. And that's interesting because everyone in your peer group comes from a very different background. They have a very unique perspective to both understanding and solving a problem that you're discussing and debating about. This aspect of learning is something we wanted to bring into the program. And in order to do this, we've designed our action learning projects in such a way that you will actually work in groups to solve real world problems. And these are real world problems that we will give to you. We actually back everything we teach you on research, but we instantiate the research in the form of examples so that we make sure that whatever you're learning is fully applicable and replicable at scale, regardless of which organization you have, which is very unique. Given the depths to which we are going, we think that this course will be particularly useful for people who are wanting to transform their organizations using technology-led business models.